ebia odwuma sonko di o ni padianam na pacho eba na esenti tiriwa two pace men sawe ana mamu ade ya je ade atomo ya total care just whitening ana de friend ya seba no eno na me pacho fie bia mu obi bia eyiso no bibia so kama kama enso so ade ma ho me pacho wetima se bibia de tu kwan obetima ko yonko bebo na kwakwaje mpaboa ebi de kwakwaje ntare me pacho esede utimi kwa kanche wadamfo se kwakwaje ne se ade akwa ye word and as engagement and unti and I was say there I was her now about buying about obi no kasa show na say na fe wa show say was say ebe kama o say ebe fe wonum abada ho about toothpaste aba jama so no just toothpaste and I come for them out na ko pebe na bibia nkoye emfama miensa no obetima de miensa nyina ko gufie na na buso no nyina no ayisu na bacha afebo no bibia sa ko kama just to talk about na bacha no mada ho say yes right in ebe na say na vita just about say and come on no onimo about obu na gam na ayeme obu bibi ka bi kan se a na emoja afimu ba just toothpaste no and I come for them out na toothbrush no me bacha o de na emona sa se na me bacha Duchess na opa aya prince and princess a na kwajibe ba cho obofa ne anyini mo enti o ma frade enso so e wo honom ba cho obu o tie me ne ba no so na pa o se de na ready na kono de ama no so ba sa abofra yu twini se na so twitwi no ene ho asamo hia no ba cho no so ene so e ba boa enti kwakwaje yas to brush ne be na e fama abofra no panyi o de ka ho be ba cho yas to brush no ba bibia be ko bia no on sa e be ka be e je be say princess monarch Sasa Duchess no ebi e honom fa woni echemu PZ on Cybercabe wa adum Johanom Sasa na kaje tell about on Cyberca just toothbrush just toothpaste ne be number in FM painful here 0501 390 337 and 0501 390 338 to find mana on Sabaka Leicester Ghana Limited. Now kwajo just toothpaste, just toothbrush. Someone also say na ya. The Ghana Premier League match day 27 and on some Eddie Baba Sumatefwa 8 years on par 93.1. It is her and a city Koloko Samates. We began the Ghost Stars, Diana Stars, but for Beche United, Heart of Lions Nation Services. That's out to you and in Swachamani Gima Games Outdoor. To and there you the whole seminar at the Ebe Romu or Santa Saudo near question reactions and a build up no a city enough for the update no at once at the amount. You are talking one and you come one the ratio more you are talking one and you come one the ratio more Nobody. Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki, we've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah John, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmael Ado, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. So this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Well, Ghana Premier League match day 27. I don't know any good de Mathieu Fouetier son pa 93.1 FM. Some de bibia to Tomo je e romu na ina branch FM almighty. According command say na we out in is what chama boboko no na de abon. Hello almighty bibia bako.
Chat bibia bako na Sherga Sports Complex on na Lelugo.
Well, out to you is what chama boboko na de bo ani na we say and build up na city e on na Lelugo.
What shot total even team on National Sports Complex on a little foot team I warm up area Mudu money at the dressing room. Mukako Babuna Ferry game no Babas fans to Omo Asha Omo Eba and some 20 shot. And then from Manchester to Bakoma Japanese Karima for New to Jadia. Let's say in the situation for the way Ghana Premier League with 27 and a treble and National Sports Complex in a little Gwenya some Kitwa. RT Omo and in Swatrama and you would just wine out of the time so Manchester to Bakoma Jumdiama RT say in the situation. Abdul Rauf Mohammed on whether pool him, Councillor Branton Papa Gushebu, it's the movie. Ahmed Issa, Adam Hafiz, Mohammed Idris, Faisal Gariba, Idris Gaddafi, Mohammed Arahasa, Omoy Jamsatna Abdul Aziz, Ansu Ajete Ejanafi, Awudu Mohammed, Wemu and Estati, Ede Ama, RTU, Ewa National Sports Company, and change what Tremor, goalkeeper Daniel. And if a down one with themselves in a wallet, name of Kuseni, Ejam Bistadat Mohammed, formerly of RT, one with them, the man to remain every on a Serga Sports Complex and some guitar. Pabina Abu Meda, Ejam Stephen, J.U. Ejam Abdul Manaf Uma, also formerly of RT, also German Navy, the man to remain. Mohammed Abdul Rahman, on with them, Philip Fofori, Mohammed Isaka, Eric Osei, and also Richard Appa. Umu and Sati Eddie Ama Swatraman Ewo National Sports Complex and Yasam to shot. Uru any better there, mentioned to Bakoma Jipino Mustaka Damason and let's say in the city. Teach me now for back into the dressing room. Omukako Babona play the game, no so our National Sports Complex. Referee Navy on what the Hansen. Maxwell Hansen on one area what chipping in with Jamie Finafi. What's why the media might put you the shot. Or anything National Sports Complex. Now I'll tell you any sort of my team say in a lineup for the
well, as you tell for the side the city, I'm up by in their numbers, and as I say, and I've a card found.
Well, do anything National Sports Complex a shot. Fans no I see how more bank a crank as compared to any game media. And again, after this time, now fans have a chance but still fans know who so move back a kanga Kenya some get one. You could do the game last day, the fans know it to by a
well, Yanda Brantia Fen Almighty as your reporter on the free Naliwigu at the Abre near Northeast region. And I will tell you the whole seminar at the Abre 90 minutes in the Barry, ever saw call near Quaquajo reporters and so. At the F1 so Ghana Premier League match day 27 and on 7 and I go so de ma atiefo tie sompa 93.1 it's out in Swatraman and at so the lineup at the tuja but for Katana Bobo Corner ni be United game no and che ebesha se go so pusu homa no say yansa abeka Brantia je a friend sugar no at the Senate given home 70 no and so at the Abre e was sompa 93.1.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. They were dog and EJ Kamwa,
what was for young room will be Biani Dance Park, young Sunyamum, Bofakatan of Boko and Bechem United, and at the Abani. Hello, Sugar Timenka. Bibia Boko, I was Sunyane.
Yamadon, Bibia, fine.
Well, and now you have Bofakatan of Boko and Bechem United. And a day a bunny saying I build up in the city and Manti to Baku Bay and they see Academy 2 sides.
Shada Kmayama, a team for Mutation Park 93.1 and Sunane, Coronation Park, the Zone of Attraction, Ghana Premier League, of course, away 2 hunters, became United, after became in 20-30 minutes. About him, there was Sunane Coronation Park, and there, I'm going to go for Quatano and a day airport, I'm also here from one. So far, so good there. 2 things in our bag of Pamana, so I'm a warm up where we have Bia added an outcome. Okay, Mantel. Jimano put you on once again on any keep go push on Erama of Patana Banta, the friend of Thomas at Japan, run after the Duba, on also agent 100 after and so Ejam Erma before Apatano, Abanta Efen Ali Al-Hassan, and so Ejam Erma before Apatano, and I say Abanta Efen Basiru, and also Ejam Erma before Apatano Bubuka, and Efen Manuel Adjani Wapi, Ejam, as the Buffalo South Minister, and I say Abanta Efen Saka Yoda. When the man said about Kabujam, Erma before Apatano Bubuka, our became United and Gotita, your friend Dari Aziz Haruna. On no way go to one time, I captain Erma became United Bubuko Fata. And so a gentleman no Yako, Clinton Jodu, Abante gave the Yapitan left, Abante from the General Abba, taking for Abante from Port Wigan, Jimanal Abba, and I David after so a Sabre. When a man said, you are also a jam Erma, became United Bubuko, other bench or up. Then it is a goalkeeper bench. Erma of Fakata, Clanton Buffalo, Stephen Owusu, Bashiru Abdo, Abanta from NS Mankurina, Prince Ajay Asamoah, Shmanol Aidu, Abanta from Elijah Anka, Elijah Kwara, Ono Ewun, Mighty Lati Otman, Onosu Ejam, Erma Aye, the Faka, Onosu Ewa Bench, Uram, Awa Ebichinata, Benjamin, and Stephen Kwesiel Bench, Kamala Seko Fuel Bench, Francochene, Sofimante, Abanta Yefeni James Sapaya, Jimanal Owusu, Augustin Sanamensa, Abdul Moment Talifu, and a Pajuku, Kodia Chow, Winnie Mansa, Musua Bench, Erma became United, Urama, Rafi, Yefan, Abdari Abdulatif, Aya Center Rafi, Abanta Fen Mumini Sikeli, Aya Line 2, no, Aya Suleiman Team, no Airline 2, Copa Fisano, Aya Amadi Ben, Master Metrano, Aya Thomas, Unity State, and official, and almost Yefeni Jarukundi. Our senior coalition Pakano, almost so Amudu, as you say, for other, you think I want my polyamor registry, and Miss Lamba be right from Anthony, Gemino, at the Asha, Ghana Pinale, a March 27 hour, Pinane coronation park, but first, the answers, any became at the answers, the air body, and there we are so far so good here, the Kama ever has it.
Wow, I know I branch friend Sugar, and I'll tell and carry for Sunyane, but for Tano Beche United, and I'll then branch to Bako is your kind, and they are to get to Sugar. 90 minutes ever sab, and I feel I just said, give me
Mate.
Wow, and Tiafana said, my branch here, your friend is Sugar, you go so, pursue Homanis Betima Romo, our dance park, and I will be Biani. Na ya kwakodin komo bibian Gold Stars ene Adriana Stars boboko no na de ebo ene bibia totoma ya be join a brand friend Danilo no atwamfoni e de ama se na game no e be si fa commented ba ko esi aka nyina no Danilo ba homa no so a ono e de honsem no e de bebre na fa wi a ya we mu Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium na kwakodin komo and am sa Sante Kotoko Samatters a big game. You said to do our interest to gain one call, Ned Hon Samadi Abba Abasumatifo.
Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again.
What was offer we to Toma Brantia, your friend Danilo, or no journey from Bibiani. Na for no chamfonino at the Amaya Sene game no ABC fa corner hon seminano when we said Danilo be chamfoni at the Amaya Dance Park and now we a whole gidi Bibiani Gold Stars Adriana Stars say and a game no ABC fa akọ Daniel and Timani na homa no so yuguso e say and Sabeka Danilo na fe en na din komo e fi Bibiani Dance Park.
Been there, the Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. The Nation One League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki, we've been there. Women's Premier League is back again.
What was our favorite Bibia to Toma? Danilo Kokodin Komo, near her Senate Gimino, hello, Daniel Timenka. Call dance back in
Oh, big
game. Gold Stars and Adriana Stars. I want to do about any kind of two sides.
Okay. Let's see what you for WMC. Ghana Premier League in a week, 27.
ayarese egusi ba so anu a arestati nse tatu fu akoti mani so enu kero lines for so akoboto na ene Sunday James no extra so amino ka se joba ko so e de ni ena to western of ayarese Joshua ene wuti tagino igeni go ta awo so mo tiname mo extra ya wuti tima because Jonathan Ugama mino ka se jono ente na se de ta se sonse kesma de se sa ade ko ayi ni ni so jono enso aba stati tuso se ni enso ko just our partners are looking for referee. I just look at him. Especially this Olivier. But also actually, Central, when we had the move, I said, Ocadian processor, Gemino, but on Casa any general, you don't want to any fight. Now, 2 minutes, you answer for the first level. After the mission said, will be answered to me after win. And I said, oh, Gemino, open your first. 7 for Thomas, when we put several the NSPC, one of the unless us of one Kamaka, facing William enjoy the country, that is the solution. William can go ahead to money, just Country Kamara, and then position Atunga, killing a another. One more other kid of first level, so even if I had the win team, I don't know one more to mention, and so I have the money a die, and also I'm coming to Costa. The rest of us, some of the no way, some of us are working. Now, I say, not through. I to welcome to a I bet no check it, and so at mental. A Jonathan, Professor Zhao and Sanfo, one of Examinology, the rest of us, I had that again, with a second, still at a some Adams Anatomy, a Jew society, circle issue, unless you actually Jeffrey, a year Monroe, Richard of Free National, women a year are at the night, almost only to the first event for 18 for Jonathan. Now, a moment to mention, I mean, Kevin Bay, Douglas Issue, Richard Kitchen, Marcel Jordan, and afternoon, Richard A. Mahama, I want to first a bright angel, you see A. Aras Atunta, and after the Castle in Nai, Kenya, I have the police, almost only to the first, and I said, I didn't look at them, Rocky, and so I'm a Jonah, General, and so as I said, the universe, and then Jamal Jonathan, it sounds a lot, and it's still like, so I give myself to a million.
Ghana Premier League match day 27 and on 7 August day Ebron Yepuso Homa na afe from Bibiane ne Remu straight ewo Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium na Kotoko Samatters Woko no big game yakona afe Abrante fan Kwabena Dubai on the first 45 minutes commentary no at the free Baba Yara Sports Stadium and so at the Abrante Yeguso Hase and Sabeka Abrante Fano Kwabena Dubai at the free Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium na afe no komo bi ono on the free hono.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And you just can't want the ration more. The what dog can't want. And you just can't want the ration more.
What we saw for we to Tommy Room about Bayara Sports Stadium. Kwabena Dubai. Oh no, and Bayara Sports Stadium. And then every the live commentary, you know, at Twaso, at the Amaya. Kwabena Tim and Car, first 45 minutes, live commentary, Uncle.
I'm going to be also a cover. I'm so poor, Joshua, so funny, and I get your heart in Chelsea. Now, of course, he was so quite low. Let me be an answer to your car. Hey, Killer, I'll trouble your answer. And the LP 1986, and I'm going to be answer to your car. Oh, Papa, Yara Sports Stadium. The football and 25 like a property. There's a support of also after in the number sector. And also, what you have now, and then, Yara Sports Stadium. Mama Santo Joseph supported in their South Korea, and then I took out Korea. It is in the country that I take me as well. Korea supported and almost a white topic. And two colors are white top, and then just one or two colors deep. I don't want to. I have come at the front to answer Mama car, and so area Papa Jana, so bad, so good. I have theater. I was thinking, and so my community, and so I'm talking to that is the idea to come up. And then we go with you, get the dream, wait. You got the job. And so I can get and so far, it's what you're doing now. That's the way to get the block is all coming from, and people. And your goalkeeper, Eric Asari, Eric Pepe, in your quality, very probably also Karu Quatara. You see, one Papa Yaya, and this include Menu, Nicolas Otosu, Tika Amedu Alka, and I went to Imamo Koite, the moment I started, and Yawama Probia after this quarter. It will be our own rider, and I'm started, and I'm going and 6. And so, the people are Imamo Keke, which one Taco, Papa, I would use I take Apple, which one I want to tell you, receive Satan, over the Alka, I want to tell you, something, I want to I want to give us a solution, I want to tell you, the Alka, women are here, I'm sure that word with Tamatis, 19 Pesa, and they feel so I break what you say? That's why they were rocking so really. I don't know how to do I'm not young, so Qualche pianoso, abbiamo ancora di Carinuaca, abbiamo chiamato, non sarei, o con la sempre uno super antico, e ancora che non può fare, e ancora che abbiamo capace, Cari, non sarei, Alex José, le chiamo del tope, abbiamo fatto, non sarei, a farti quello, o perché pensate cosa, o perché pensate famiglia papà, ben calcolata, io sono piccolo, era per il lavoro, ma perché qualche trovi che io papà, non sei, non sarai, non ti manca come te. Ora che quella che rimane che lo tiro sotto, la parola giusta, la parola che ha caso, la sciarra che vuole, il nostro senso, nel suo insieme del suo senso, quando pensano, quando qualcuno è caso, come quelli di Signore, la sante quanto, lo tiro sotto il pitone dell'acqua, ma continuano a pensare, non perché, continuano a pensare, e se non intento, non pensa, chi lo conosce chiamato, non è conosco, adesso chiamato, avete Nicola sua famoso, lo conosco, lo c'è proprio lo specchiatore, e poi come non sei, non sei, ma è il fiatore, ci va la terra, e lo fa, c'è Alex José, what you got to put to it. You're for real sense. Therefore, it's not to go to it. I'm going to take people. You pick up pressure from pressure. You put in pressure from pressure. How much you got time for it? I'm going to create it. You put your work in it. Take your football to your platoon. Okay, I can pass it. No, see, when I call, I want to take you. Doctor, you also you know what kayak, what's your couple, what's your also, I want to pass it. That's one bucket. That's more, what's your cup, what's your car, what's your also, what's your tackle, what's your tackle. Okay, you are a cracker, you are a cracker from Paul, it's your own, you are so close, you are so close, no say, for the castle, what the hell for the castle? Jericho for the protocol, Jericho for the protocol, I don't know, you are so close, che prossimo la conoscenza la posta che cazzo non c'è un capace per ancora la cosa e poi la conoscenza come per sempre noi dattiamo sotto caro questo perché abbiamo preso il proposito e per l'acqua non sarà la gente per l'acqua però io sempre ho sempre la pronuncia profonda io sono provato come ciao con quello che passo e ti ho fatto ora qui ora che non puoi ho fatto che ho fatto perché non so più ora che non posso conoscere la sua che non fare mi passo famoso che trova che non fa tutto non sarà che lo portava che non me lo conto famoso quanti ne ho provato and now I will take over. Stand to see what we'll take to sit local. We'll take to sit local at this one. So, currently at Chelsea, I shall take over. I want to answer and require la Santa, la Chiesa, Nicola Fossero, la Chiesa, non suonare avanti a mettere il tuo attacco, non trovo ancora perché a casa qua, e piano su, per la Chiesa, io conosco, non faccio quella, ma devo Campasso. Também, você quer cortar. Você quer cortar. Wesley, one translatory. Other translatory. Power play player, power play. It's your fantasy soldiers. Your fantasy soldiers. Your boy 80 minutes. Oh, the players are effective. Your boy 80 minutes. Oh, the players are effective. so good. I can go to every summer. I can go to in the first half, not to some of the cameras on the first half. So good. I want to say. I now will every time you say, performance and let's get to the تشوفيها الإحسان كان متداولة أنا لساني ما يسوي أنا جمعته اللي أصلي يومون دورة وأنت من كلكم سمي ولو توكا وأنت من كلكم أول اسمه كل جميع وجي توصل كيابوا أو كماسة أدم تيزت كماسة أدم تيزت كي يتلاقى بطورنا أقول عنه هو وتصطر على تشوكوا نحوتين كيمو أو يمن يتوجه يسوع فهو مثل ما تصير كما على كما انتوا في الافلام على تطوروا اي اقصد تطوروا اي صلي من بيعصوا كما انتوا تمشوا كما انتوا بروبوزيو انتوا سمعتوا يقول 39 minutes يقول 39 minutes او تقايا في الستاديوم عشان تيجوا أنسي سمعتوا عشان تيجوا أنسي سمعتوا كلا واسع بابا جمانو أبنتي رفا جمانو ماما أبنتي ماما كفي كمنين أبنتي رفا شانسيس تتوا شانسيس تتوا أشكي أبنتي رفا ماما جمانو ماما وانتي أتوجه صوتي ساعتك كوني وكامي كوكي يقول يا كوني أسانتي كوكو يقول يا كوني أسانتي كوكو كوكي با وسمرانتي كوكو كوكي با وسمرانتي باسو اتلو كوني أسانتي كوكو نامرانتي نوكراني ألانتي نوكراني تومانوش كنفيتا وكي أتفوتيو إجي أتفوتيو فوق مسكونات فوق مسكونات يقول أنت يا كوريا تنجيبك أوسنت أبقى لوكي أوسنت أبقى لوكي يلو يتوتي يمكن أن يتنقاسو يلو يتوى أنا كذلك جمسنلو وسنلو يتنقاسو تنسيه أسانتي بلقو أبو كوريا نيكولاس فوروسو ويقول فرق سلسلي ويقول سلسلي ويقول انتباسو ويقول انتباسو كيف يتباسو ويقول انتباسو نايسي ويقول انتباسو كيف يتباسو يسوي كيف يتباسو كيف يتباسو وكيف يتباسو ويقول انتباسو يسوي Kile kafuri wakimaranta paso wachogoro kulakulangaza imano kote wasanta cycle imano kote wasana wantu warantezo tokaya teroso imano kote yasari kuna ajiflekele awapura tuashere kate bala nufre nufre kwa وأنا أجري عندي كتابه أنا أتوصل نصري أتوصل أيوة كمان كوكي أيوة كمان كوكي يقول شنو كمان سانتي كوكو كوكي وسمران تيون كوكو يقول 42 minutes so far so good لما جيت أقول Osmarias broken. Get your Jerusalem. Korea Story. Yatratia. Korea Santo Goroko. Notable and Tapaso. Melody. Tapama Tumuta. Tapama Tumuta. Edlapia. Arase. Korea Story. Jatupatia. Afisata. Notable and Tapaso. Melody Manu Koite. Koita Tamasoto. Inakumarase. Wapamasoto. Listen, Wasanta Cycle. Listen, Wapamasoto Kama. Apostle Antonaza. وشعر التماسة بتعملوا وشو بتعملوا لا سنتين بتعملوا أعطوا كم كوتي جبرتنا كل عشان تبركوا كل تقاسوا وشتاسكوا وكم نايسي بوم كل يوم جبرتنا أمشي صوتك أبرتنا من يفوا يفوا يسجلوا ولا كوتي الواقع كسري تاني تسيبوا الفواكه يتنفسي فاكر سيبوا التنفسي كلوا كتوما التنفسي كلوا كتوما أكل يسري بول يسري يتلاتي في سماتة يتلاتي في سماتة يسري ويفعل بلتها وفي سماتة من كل يسر يبلتها في سماتة من كل يسر كل كوزو في سماتة زو كل كوزو في سماتة زو فيفعل بلتها في سماتة أبنتي على سينا كواليسو كل سلام كواليسو كل يرسل كواليسو يقول في الكتاب وفي شجمونا صلى تاي والكتاب ويقول كيف تسوي إنه يسقط في صدقهم كيف تقول إني سأشارك نتسوى الكتاب كلام يعترف إلى قرصه وشتو الكتاب يسوي إذا كسوسه إلا بيته لا سكين كتير إما نكيك إيه إما نكيك ويفرو يوم تنتهي قبل سنتين كوكو لكن النجم كملوا أتيام أن تفرسا يوحص سوسكم ورسل كلموني وصبر الخير يوم تنتهي قبل سنتين يوم تنتهي قبل سنتين كوكو Yosari, Molokwete, Oya Fanta Paso, Malaria Delta, Tanzania, Yakima Kaka, Yosari, Ivan Kosofu, Lakia Fabanko, Malaria Delta, Molokwete, Yarasai, Malaria Delta, Molokwete, Santa Placo, Molokwete, Rayas Plaque, Yosari, Yosari, Yo hacía Korea se quedó habrá que hacer yo no cuente ahora ya no pasa yo no creo que el que no tiene ahora cuente no poco yo no pienso en que no se George Murray la son que no fue no se pasa en poco yo te voy a capaz It's also goalkeeper. Puede cazar la chuma de Campaso, que le ponen Campaso, y tal como el celo. No le puede hacer la para clase de Choi. Oye, Choi. El celo no es algo. A la verdad que el celo no es seguro. Yo no cualquiera, el que se mata. Yo no cualquiera se mata. يتوكلوا يمر يتوكلوا الناس يكملوا ويتواصلوا يمر كويتي ويتواصلوا ثلاثة كفاية وبين يتواصلوا كانوا كارا الجانب يشربي كل شيء ثلاثة سنوات يتواصلوا تبي الفكرة كمونا أولا ثلاثة ألف وصل ولن تنقص نقرأ سوسو وتطلع فاسات بروكو وشكل لك ما يفي ولكو على درجة أنت عمل واقع يصري ولا تواصل السوء وتقول انت تعصي تعطيها تسكني يا
93.1 FM. This is 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 93.1 FM.
Wabushon for Gusu ya say yeah best answer join a brand here from Kwabena Dubai. Baba Sports said on the live commentary no de atwaso de matie fotie sompa 93.1 was centers ahodo no Heart of Lions Boboko no. Okay, omo asaba ko Nations FC 0 Saso na Bofako Tano 0 Bechem United 1. Bibian goes to Boboko no ene aduana Saso mu guso game no additional time. And a more boy at the account I have a game on a basic falco out to you swatch a mine given a good son to Jaw and Nalugua and as a first 45 minutes and on a bad a barrier pet and the whole seminar answer so at the bed at tier 4 Medical Kayasawa dance park Obian to me Shabi and Bombier was Sunyane Bofakotano 0 Bechem United 1 results are if you Sunyane Eba and AVA and Heart of Lions 1 Nations FC 0. Almost given us a pen city Ghana Premier League March day 27.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. What dog can want, and EJ can want, the ration more, what dog can want,
and it is send results in the city of River Centers and they are Tuja, Kwabena Dubai, Otin and Ka, first 45, Wa Baba Sports Stadium, Asante Kodoko, 0, Samates 0. I know any results if you are by Sports Stadium by a branch of Kwabena Dubai. Or the whole seminar at the Babasumie in Tisana, a sea at Tier Elhanum. Now, answer no Facebook messages in the or have Facebook and away Asara George Jao Sempe. I say I'm listening to you live from Agreka Brasso, Mr. Asayo Construction. Honestly, you're the buyer.
Days of a better Saki, they've been there.
Fantastic commentary. Greetings to Zagidi Bogidi from Agreka Brasso. Call all the way. And Asara George Jao Sempe. Katekre GH. And a DJ Katekre. No, anyway, if you sang Corey, Infantim.
Back again, so this is our
no bisa sending who sit here. DJ Katekre
league is back again. This is our home. Let's cherish our home.
Derek Ayete, also good afternoon. Good afternoon, Derek.
Let's cherish our home. Women's Premier.
Victor Zagba. Kodoko will win. Victor said about Facebook. Some panel don't want to fair. Jumadi the free. So bet you message in Abba straight. Facebook. Baba can kind of few the amount. Yeah, we see the free no. For a bra. Given by we have about phone lines in so. If any tear for about Abedi and come on.
Division 1 League is back again. And the song about Smith. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Hey, mama. Hey, mama.
First 45 minutes, you know, about we were centers. I would win now.
League is back again.
Tabantia from Kwabena Dubai and Zao Samata and I sit here at Baba Yara Sports Stadium.
Is back again. Tell everybody, tell them. Everybody, go tell everybody to bring back the love. Tell everybody, hey, body, go tell everybody, see we won't bring the love back. Tell everybody, body, go tell everybody, bring back the love. Tell.
Well, Abusian for Yamfa Asadani be in Romo. And for Emma Leicester Ghana Limited and paying for among the Amacadichas or mere coffee by the Emma Jazz toothpaste, Jazz toothbrush. Now, Jazz toothpaste and a ducamo. And I'm so Mamu Hadi, and another Duana Adia Tumo. They be a mechanic at the church, Sokoto toothpaste. And I'm putting a toothbrush and I'll go to Okoni and Choho Jasa mentor. And I'm said the Adia Tumo and a Yas and Adia Tumo. Now, toothpaste and I hold mensa. Joyas. Total care. Sasene Yas whitening. Jaseba. Na Yaseba no. Yede hama and yede. And into you so ababo no numate. Ababo no numu adaho. And I'm say Yaseba na tetibriamo no. And no anaya na namu yusu hama. Na ya yusu ama ebuama almost enya hoden. Ebua ama omo gama na me bacha enya hoden no. And no ebina penfo ada Yaseba. Unya bi na oje e kofia. Ababo na bibia ya kama e ama. Just whitening. A boy, I'm a senon, a fita. Obua and a senate car, and sir. Ogasa onion is Siena Quackers and Fofro, and as a batch on the Senate car and Koyuka. None will be a car, say Miss Jumper. Said Dachibiano, said Nakopon will be a new Yamu. Now, or Cassa, or Phil, say, and I will call and will call or saw him a money, Paradona. Pina and Tim Kobe. And also Kromuhana Pina Seno Kalanasa and Zilko na yes feel say now senior future pet Umo saw him a Pina Timinko and then see them come for the man just whitening and no boy as a size send color man a fita at a say aqua for the just total care rainy dino and then when I'm say anything I found yes total care about what now Obuha and Senom I did you capet na seven as ever for Eddie Breno, Sasson Obuha, and the governor I am Obu Adeka Kabi a can send a pet no mojeba, Obu or brush and a brush and a canasia, also Eddie Mojeba, Nano, a yas total care, and a babuana, a unit so Eddie a few hundred Bibians so, Akoye Eddie Ama Esseno, Obacano Aseno, so Eddie Mame, say I don't go, your yas toothbrush, now you am a cat at church a toothbrush and designer, and a man a yason coca, and I'm saying the toothbrush and air fair, a car, a sounds like come now you toothbrush and about your woody as you choose, yeah. Baby, beer about your body, yeah, now about your edge. Bibi ka kan or a cinema everyone a few about your question send tell me now una just toothbrush about na and so a few and no see a chia brama hoya kama saso tokro biamono e bewura na abomo no mate and I'm sa kan so and kabone a few no oko jaman so a so about just toothbrush na bibia so akoye your duke duchess monarch prince princesses unya bia and so beboa na bibia so akoye so Eddie amount e wodi wani ebe chemu our doom pizza te ho enyo hankwa wo keje tewan about on sa Ebeka Leicester Ghana Limited ja honom kokojo yas toothbrush just toothpaste for pen and as mobile phone na ebo number we efagusu sisia na number no ay 0501 390 337 and 0501 390 338 offer number now on sa Ebeka Leicester Ghana Limited na afoso so kwajo just toothpaste just toothbrush na onuma da ho na bibia so akoye de amount any abusuamu ni nanti yes our product no and I make come for them bibia wo bia no na aboa no so ama bibia so akokama e de amount.
Let's cherish our own Ghana Premier is back again. I say this is our own.
March day 27 Ghana Premier League. We said on seminar day at for.
This is our
and Chebe Roma Babara Sports Stadium. Kabina Dubai. On also to us at the few at the Amai.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own.
Can't at the Chelsea and not in March day 27. Assas here. Go City. SME know how to folk. Pemso.
Energy come home.
More intimate can be. Because it is true how to folk 0. Arsenal Kerala United 1. Obokwa Jefferno Car Lions 1. You know that sir and the results in the Premier League is back again. What Northeast region? Major Naliwigu. Time and all. Tamale United 1. Chairman 0.
It's been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah Gyan. It's been there. Lord, our Premier League is back again. Since the days of
Heart of Lions 1. Nations FC 0.
Nation 1 League is back again. So this is our own. Let's cherish our own.
What Sunyane
Premier League is back. This is our own.
Faka Tana 1. HM United 1.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Emmanuel Clotet, we've been there. We've been there.
Any HM or BBN
League is back again.
Dance Park.
Days of Abedi Pele, we've been there. We've been there.
And BBN Gold Stars. I'm more to one side of Diana Stars.
Since the days of Joe Debra, we've been there.
First 45 minutes half time. BBN Gold Stars 1.
Is back.
Diana Stars 0.
Days of Ebo Smith, we've been there.
Abaya Sports Santa Corocco 0. Sat Matters 0. Sa and AC it was sent as audio in an go up PMO. It's a Abaya Sports Stadium. Go Intimi MPMU El Honor.
Division 1 League is back again.
Tiano and SN AC at your first half results. Ghana Premier League match day 27 and I made it out to Ja at the amount. And you better remember Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Now Dubai, at the second 45 minutes commentary now to us. Now I was in a game in the basic for Aqua Santa Corocco St. Matters.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. And the day what dog can want, and EJ can want, the ration more, the what dog can want, and EJ can want, the ration more, since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki, we've been there. We've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah Gyan, we've been there. We've been there. Lord, our Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmael Ado, we've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again. So this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Emmanuel Clotet, we've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abedi Pele, we've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of we've been there. The vision one leg is back again. And the days of Ebo Smith, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Hey, mama, it's back again. Women's Premier League is back again. I say Women's Premier League is back again. Hey, mama, it's back again. Tell everybody, tell them. Everybody, tell them. Go tell everybody to bring back the loop. Tell everybody, hey, body. Go tell everybody, see we won't bring the loop back. Tell everybody, body. Go tell everybody, bring back the loop. Tell everybody, body. Go tell everybody, bring back the loop.
Well, we saw for we be at Tomu. Yes, answer journey. Your commentator, Branty, a friend of Kwabena Dubai. Ewa Baba, Yara Sports Stadium, or the second 45 minutes commentary, Eddie Atwaso, Eddie Amai. Kwabena Dubai, Timenka, second half to Jane Uncle. Well, Kwabena Uncle, second 45 minutes.
Okay, and now we play also cover and from now Pambaya Sports Stadium. I said on top video for Tua. I also 20 times of one. And I can see a pampa. And you don't commentary second half or Ghana Premier League. But the Korean Concept Corpo. And it's at the LC Summerton. And in 1996, and I bought match the 27th. Oh, Papa, Yara Sports Stadium. And 3,225 capacity. And the supporters and so at me up in the numbers. I was supporting Nene. I follow with the Atoson Car. I'm in John Fonica class. And control. So I call F and a free and a come and so and a call I also call and of the pit. And a clear for the stomach. And so the big I also call of the pit. And so come a phone and of the pit. I can't keep on a phone. I say in their color, for I have got some technical and a white church you give for a clear and a stomach. I don't start also. I have 3 pounds, and so a black, and a strong and green, and a black, and so they did it, and I'm an empty stomach. And so our Papa, you're not supposed to do. And I tell you what, a clear time, we'll be over Papa, you're not supposed to do. So, Minister, MSC and the green sounds horrible. So, most of them, it's a fight. I tell you, white, the Papa, what's the there? And one way, Papa. My children, after they won't tell me that. And so, up another year. And so, actually, I come. And so, the first man, and so, and see, one thing, I have so far, so good. Oh, Papa, you're not supposed to show it. The meaning. And so, oh, Papa, I'm supposed to do it. They didn't like coming to the top. I am some people. What picture? Only playing for and it's no, sorry. Come and tell some correct it. Correct it. Sorry. They play for a pocket club. They play for a pocket club. Joe Christian, Korea Sunset Croco. Korea Sunset Croco. Pocket Paul Salaman Sapato. Wapomboro, Ponapay, Mano Kiaka, Kaka, Lanke, Wapiamoso, Vakari, Ponapay, Pizza Waka, Pizza Anwaka, Wapiamoso, Anderson Kumano, Wapaco, or Lampo, Papaya, Papaya, Pocho, Nancy, Papaya, Watching bonus, I tell you, What's the point of saying about it? But I mean, you also told you, what's the matter? You also told you, what's the play? When I put it back, when I look back, that's really what I'm saying. If you also, yes, when I put it on the first to get to us, when you put it at it, when I put it on you know what I'm saying? When it's like that, what's it you? You say what I'm saying. When I tell you to cook it. What I'm saying, cook it. Just put it down for so much. Maintaining sex. Maintaining so much. Maintaining sex. Okay, what I'm saying, after that, you said you said but if you want to do, I don't say something. Papa, I want to. I didn't show up. I can't say proper. If you want to do, I didn't say that. But if I didn't say that, you have to want to do. Whatever. You want to take it. What's it? No, sure, I don't say that. You have no say about Sunday night. But that's what it is Sunday night for the night. I'm a poor person. I'm a poor person. And you're putting to come out from Tokyo. You're putting to come out from Tokyo. The ball in San Francisco. That is good to I'm not that fool. You're putting to come out from Tokyo. Yeah, I know that fool from coming out from Tokyo. And I'm going to see some of this too. Let's get a chance to step up. After my own step off, whatever you haven't said, it's still. I'm going to see how I'm going to that's what I mean. We'll show Daddy. We'll show Daddy. What is that to come up here? What foul to follow up. A foul to follow up with a job for your country, Proco. You're going to tell Korea to Proco. Keep our clear, follow Semicola. Keep our clear, follow Semicola. You know what I'm saying? You want more cake? 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 What's in the 20 minutes? What's the Daddy, you want to go what's the water? Whatever a job for Santiago, whatever special cycle, 90, Papaya, 9 second, what you also to Papa, also for a question, you Nicolas of Nico, you also to, I don't say that, what's a clear like it one. Let's check out Patara. Let's check Patara. When I go Patara, you want to learn when I put your job, nice one, 1.5, one of the best stomachs. One of the best stomachs. I ate him alone quite and then you don't so soon. And then, I can't say Proco, you have seen some Papaya of Portugal, the 43,225 capacity. I also Papa, whatever your job, Jordan Zelete, you seem breaking a 10 step. They also Jordan Zelete, Papaya, getting up here from the second question, and it says that, the players and the team, also international, Jordan Zelete, you play the finish, you go. Getting up here from our H1 Circle, where you don't say first, you can also come up here from. I'm a watching it normally. What's up for it? What's up for it? You come for it, you come for it. I'm going to say it for a RC Senator, the Kia Bonetaro, and the AT Apostolo, I Hotel, Penalty Apostolo, with China, one about a Bonetaro, Kobe Santiago, and then Papa, just for a choice, one episode. Ticket, whatever, it's out. Papa, one is there. I'm going to tomorrow. What you're getting better. Then I need to in line. Whatever, I'm going to tomorrow. What's your bottle? One is there. Then he welcome. Whatever. I'm going to Jim Taylor, you want 90, whatever. I'm going to say, you know the thank you. Daddy. Nice players. I'm looking to know one supporting the Carolina, you know, so and I don't say for the cafe, and I don't say about that. I don't say that a Korea out to our bed, yes, what you are doing, you call, the Senate, Carolina, and I don't say about Colorado, don't go so far, but this Colorado, I don't say that. I don't say that I think what I want to do is and somebody else will go to come out of the for the other we can walk out of certain mercy. So I can even quickly wait out some house, but then you're running for the other character. You put out a photo, then we go to the outside. We'll go to outside. We'll go outside. Yellow Center, Korean Center, Kuroko. Here, Korean Center, Center, one place, I'm not sure to play, or I'm not association, let's carry, when I put a cafe, one shot shaking, chicken of quality, one essential senator, and a party, Korean Security, Jordan Senator, and they can see money, like you want to do, you know, quickly, or Center Circle, you know, quickly, Washington, Peter Walker, Asante Kuroko, what they say from Portugal, what they say from Portugal, what can I say for ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀rọ wù ní mẹ̀tẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́ bí ẹ̀rọ bá tẹ̀lé ọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tó lọ fún ọdún ìṣẹ̀tì àwọn ti kùtà bọ́ọ̀lù náà wọ́n ti ti bá nílẹ̀ dùdù ẹ̀rọ tó tó ọ̀sán àwọn ọ̀rẹ́kẹ́ náà sún kéèké bí a bísọ̀ àgbàbá ọ̀sẹ̀ wọ́n kẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ kàmì lọ ìgbà tí ó kẹ́ ọ̀sán àwọn àdìẹ second half yìí ọmọ ti bí ẹ̀rọ kéèké ètò ọ̀sán wọ̀ yẹn ní sọ́kọ̀ọ́sọ̀ wọ̀ lọ sọ́kọ̀ọ́sọ̀ káàní ẹ̀kọ́ wọ́n sẹ́lẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ wọ́n sẹ́lẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀gbẹ̀sẹ̀ ọgbọ̀n ọdún kan náà ẹlẹ́wọ̀n ọdún 270 a nítorí kan náà ọdún ìgbà kọ́tọ́kọ́ lọ́wọ́ ọdún yìí ọdún ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn ní ọdún ọdún ọmọdé kọ̀ọ̀gbẹ̀sẹ̀ èyí sọ́kọ̀ sẹ́yìn tó rọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ń dìbò àwọn ọ̀pẹ̀ kọ̀kọ̀kọ̀ bí ọ̀sán ọdún sẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ náà ọdún kan wọ̀nyẹ ẹ̀yẹ àkọ́kọ̀ sẹ̀ àwọn ọdún ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ọdún ẹgbẹ́ pọ̀tù lọ nígbà ní ìgbà ẹ̀dọ̀ ọdún wọn náà ẹ̀yẹ ẹ̀yẹ àdúgbò àwọn yìí hàn ọ̀pẹ̀ ìfẹ́ àyẹ̀kọ́lẹ́ sí àpẹẹsẹ̀ iná fúnrọ́fọ́ wọ́n lè gbé pàtí pàtàkì kúròkó against goalkeeper Kofi Bell àyẹ̀kọ́lẹ́ sí ìhọ̀kọ́fẹ́ olólùfẹ́ ìfẹ́sà wọ́n fi àṣọ lábẹ́rẹ́ iná fúnrọ́fọ́ iná fúnrọ́fọ́ Yeah, I don't know. It's a good feeling. Kenya, one about Florida. I don't feel it. Kenya, one about Florida. And so, I don't know. I want to much and let me be. And so, actually, I can't come up. I'll set me up. So, I am a sinner because I'm still market. I'm a brand professor. It's more terrible. Get up in my 8. I bring my brand professor. Kenya, I want to appreciate. The first you yes, but you first you. And I will take care of the first number. If you have such a camera, I'm going to take local. And you have to Nicholas Azembo, I'm saying, one another. And you have such a camera. I'm sure I want to take care of action. And so much. I'm saying, I have to take care of you. It's Nicholas Azembo, and it's by it. I'm a second captain, and so you will take care of you. Whatever you tell us, I'm too talented. I'm not telling you, so I'm very concerned. Also, I said to you, I'll put on the center circle. Our center circle, whatever you say, one it, United States, say, to play. That's what I'm going to whatever you want to crack it, all of us are to what's it to play, whatever you Papa Gimusa, what's it to fly the couple, I the couple, also, I don't know, you want to crack it. Yeah, one time possible. Babamuta, also 22. I don't tell Emily Zaka, the Zaka popularity, Imano Kirke, also Jim what Kakani, to play, whatever you have to Zaka, what's your terrible Toronto whatever one 90, and better, but in the cup, what are you foul? The Boresia is the killing six. People are 2 People are 2 a follower, you know, okay. But the first 50 was 8. 50 more foul. You know, okay. But the first 50 more foul. That's what I'm saying. The way Papa. The one who was so. Murana. BBSC, yesterday we have the BIA technical staff in the field. It is delayed. I'm also to win. I want to win. Okay, good morning, day. We are Karaso. One technical member for MC Summit. Let all know that the team because of the other. You also, where you are possible. Whatever the Paso, whatever the Paso, yes, sir. I will come and book it. The best of the tomatoes. What you want to do, whatever you want quickly, whatever you want to pass. But I'm going to say, nice, and I'm going to perform. Mr. Boy foul. Alexander. Oh, dear, Papa. Oh, dear, Papa. Let's watch it also. Whatever you have to enough more to push for up. We can also do. Alexander, what you learn to, you also do. I will continue. I'm Papa Yaya, the father wanted to pass it to Alexander, the piano to Alexander. One quick, put that switch, and now the ball. What's it tell you? Where you put it for? When I put it out there, everyone, what's up piano to? I want to see Mary. Just piano to 90. Asante Koroko, when we hear the ball, when I remember Baba Musa, the Pianoso, of the Friday, the second Laka, what the Lions say, the Bonita, what the player is, what the player, go to Boyafa. Look at January, look at Boyafa, Jamatia, Asante Koroko. I have found the phone so I know Spona. I found the Spona. But of one, I'm just I found your chair so far. Get it one, I will get you up. I have found, I want to say, Manuel Cake. Imamo Cake, we can cake. When it's a political. Elsie started. Look, that's what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4. Save. Save John Pokipa. Very carefully. Watch about himself. Watch about himself. What are you going to do? Yes, Baba. Look at what I got. Pokipa. Just Morata. Just one. What's up? I'm going to pass it. What's taking in Mecca? Whatever you have to say. It is that. These are short 1590. Whatever you have to say. Whatever you have to say. Just one step it. What's up? What's it? You want to say you want to say right here for for everything for us. Right here for us. But you also very Quatara, Introduce, Quatara Paporo, you want to Maria, and the Cincinnati, just one coming, very for a pretty Cherry Bonnet, Apollo, enough more. You're frustrated, pass, our quality of it. You don't know, British authority, Eric Zeke. They are going to Rota. Maybe nobody. Maybe nobody. Other seven. Eric Zeke. Tubaraya, Goalkeeper. What's going to do? I'm a player of Alexander, it's a pulling break. In the process of Nekala, it's your colleague, Ghana Limited. Next time, now, you have to change your mobile family. I'll say to you, you're so brass, you're so quick. And so, I'm going to together, you're so brass. You won't do anything, sir. You will not do that. You are playing some people and so on. And I took people, you're to take care, you're helper, and you're wifey. That is not such a come up. I want to be in a tell about. Then 24, I was 2.01, 392, and I 2.01, 392. 88. What is that? I come. Second half on the ball. I will give you more. I will start. think get also Once more, you found no Petia, Korea Santo Croco. One Petia, Korea Santo Croco. Goalkeeper, another Paporo, whatever I'm saying, go, in trouble in him. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, can you put me on naturally? Also, but I dropped the correct. It's all 17. Also, focus on the ball. It's blocking the ball line. It's Minister of Correct. Correct. I'm going to something. You're going to something. If you want to pass me, what is it? Come on. No, 9 shots. You don't know who to play. You don't know who to watch it for 4 No strike. 9 times. I'm going to tell you. But I don't care for Papa. It's the closer. The closer for us. Pasal mana tak masuk, itu Bakul Nancy, El Fatala, mana apa? Kita berapa? Dari, Wajib. Barang tu, ya sewajar sama. Tapi, John Mooney masih, tu. Apa tu? Itu proposal yang terbatas. Berarti Papaya. Dia mahu satu. Orang terbatas. Anda sendiri mana? Tapi mana kuih? Apa boleh Papaya? Masuk. 1, 2, 3. Apa boleh satu? Mana kuih? Enak dia orang tu. Game continue. Tapi game continue. 9-1. Mesin mereka. Dia tambah. Wajib tambah. Yang pertama, orang cara sejuk. Macam itu, orang yang ada Wasane mau satu jam terus wasau kete wekia para terus apa waseti dia Desari jual wace apa baru wakia wace yes para dari karu pasara wajib apa berapa berarti game pasio wayako orang kemaja mau sibace Acaba bola con Ebeneza. Então, vamos Sate. Cari, Sate. Vamos cortar de bola só. Jokan. Basket, Telu, What a fantastic performance! Pasal Moro, Babaya. Jadi nak coach Babaya. Sesuatu Babaya. Tempatala. Oke masuk. Pada kali anda sentimanu. Wasatyo. Cari. Kenapa? Kita bola coach. Jadi Papaya wajib semua kira wajib bola tuan Papaya dan semua kira Asante Kokowan LC sama Tazio Asante Kokowan LC sama Tazio Abang siapa ina oroto ini yang kurma Asante Koko awasakena tiwa awasakena They are penalty. I don't know what to him. However, the second corner, and give a first back in the photo. There's the photo. I'm on the photo from the outside corner. Get also, Warrior can poke it. The Valencia. Atlanta Rock, Papa Maria Paso, the Muffin Morning Nike, what is that? What is that? It's a nice one, that's a play of Captain I suffer it, What is it, boy, a foul? What is it, boy, a foul? I think here the ball playing set. But the Maria, the full score. Bishop, Atapoku. A combien de fire. And then play for Kenya. I'm in China. That's one game so but I want to tap also Nancy Ferreira get also counter after the rock let's do them Nancy Davi George Mawley what's another game now also Cabaret, our Papaya was second. Glory Sanse for one, FC Somates 0. Glory Sanse for one, FC Somates 0. I want to go Murphy, and then Glory Sanse for our second half 54 minutes, and I'll go by our APA. I'm going to the next time and I say I feel a comment to us about that you're innocent and a young to play. I want to say that young to grab long government, you want to place and places and so on. That's not two places, you're young to attack it. Yasera, it has like and so on. And to go baby, you're going to give you a pretty to say, now think also, if you put it that also feeling anyway. Maybe just to look at it. If you are looking at it, I can't come here. We're not saying that you tell me now. We're not saying if you are to come up. If you can yell for okay, now if you are, I will come up. Let me be out to see you. If the left side gallery can tell for what trouble, I will go back to 1 390 837. And I'll say 501 390 83. Let me be out to see you. I don't see it. It's all man. And I next time I let it. It's Sandra. What's the I was Syria? Yeah, I was in the city. And if you are also here, come and sit for a one, and this time I can do. And so far, too. Hello, Sandra.
Yeah,
hello, Sandra.
Come on.
If you go over here, you can go over here.
Mate Kwabena. What was that for Kwabena Dubai? And I attend and carry free Kumase Babaya Rasmus Stadium. Kotoko. I know I'm given by 1 goal to 0. I know an SNAC at here.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. What dog can one, and you can one, the ration one, what dog can one, and you can one, the ration one,
What was for Ghana Premier League match day 27?
Been there, Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there.
Baba Yara Sports Stadium.
Division 1 League.
I call one Samata 0. When I send a game on AC Fire coin in a Morrison. I know I was for when you go to my Kumasa Santiago. And when you cook, I'm a given and Abawi. And into Kotoko 1 Samata 0. For centers out on Pina and so Abawi. If you could swear a cost, you have a room. If you are just an AC Fire coin. Sakania, sorry, Jumedian is
back again.
And then summer is city. Well, I can't say my cost
Back again.
Ghana Premier League surprises P. Elsewhere, surprises so cost of England. Sanama Maka Semiacho.
Let's share
I feel no send a busy far call.
Premier League is back again.
You run enough for question the games out on the Sifa Coy and that bunch of friend of Kwabana Dubai. And then as well live commentary.
One League.
I know Eddie Phil Kumasi Baba sponsored them with the burn and you made.
We've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Debra. We've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again. And the days of Ebosi.
Mua was Sunyani game na barrier. Of Lands game no so na barrier. And the Nations FC. And the results in about one Tamale. Tamale amateur out team. No one is such a man who say ya. Dance Park. MP if you are Leicester Ghana Limited. Leicester Ghana Limited. About your I'm paying for SMN Camfan Chow. So about your mama dear. Toothpaste actually are two no. And Jas toothpaste and as I feel so yes. Toothbrush and I know be issue. And I'm saying the papa. And a bob is your moon on your hobby. About your to become baby girl no. Wifey upie now coffee. As all to be that kwacha wifey. Birthday do now child there. Any Jas toothpaste. And the Jas toothbrush and from few more. And I'm saying about my pa. Cocojo Jas total care. Jas writing on our pa and also heard him out. Jas Sabano and also about Jaman so. About your own pen once a Kojaman so. Okwa also Pemiansa. Miansano a Jas total care. Jean Seba and a Yas writing and a babwa na ama no be bianso kama da ma e babwa na abo osenba and kabane ebeyi e de afuonom anti Jas toothpaste no eno and a babwa na di wakagina oje toothpaste na ma ramfi se ne nua e fa ne Jas toothbrush no and also aka ho be your monarch your duchess your prince sasuna princess na bi o jama so kwana kwajibe na bi bianso nkoye kama emfa emma o ba cho carnation so se toothbrush and they are not doing, they are not mere your honor. Send it was says it here, Biano, Jasul Brass and Babua, na a yime patron, and a question, a Eddie Frano, Bianso, Koye, Kama, Eddie Amana, Feno, Bianso, Akoye, Eddie Amao, Jas toothpaste, Jas toothbrush, Otto brush, Otto toothpaste, Yancho Yasa, mentor, and I'm so Kumasama, Ghana mine, Daba, never bueno, Jas toothpaste, Jas toothbrush, Jenama, friend, painful is here. 0501 390 337 and 0501 390 338. Offer number now. On Sabaka Leicester Ghana Limited and paying for now Kwajo Jas toothpaste, Jas toothbrush, and Bianso Koye Kama, and so at the amount. And I say, Amaya Transia, the Ghana Premier League live comment journal at the Ebaba so Bibia will be and the results in the center Saudi Inano, meaning say exciting times ahead. And I'm so at the who results in the surprise, oh, sir, and I see at here our honor, and then some a few on mobile Facebook. Some pa 93.1 FM. Remember my kind messages, and I'm saying Pina the predictions by Remember baby Pino and so at the few on some idea Bibia to Tomo Jadiani Echemo Ewa Tamale na yene abranti efeno almighty akodin komo out to in such a my game now say NSC for choir na game we dear almighty biaboko. Hello, Almighty. Almighty, Timeka.
Jack Metalka, Timeka.
metam pa ene nyume tamale ehwa ede na lewigu ehwa ede pa enam say until you so chama game no asa kakraba every 10 minutes airport is here
wa shark me no ka say game ni gusto e koso game no enya man na we ya 90 minutes and a referee at the 8 minutes episode they say RTU had from a cameo no am what mu back on the 26 minutes and a brand here no Mohammed Al-Hassan Mukuya eto atredi kan edima RTU ye ko ba ye no the first of a brand here no Kabila edu meda extra edima instrument 90+3 and a brand here no Kudo calling Kudo every base baba to atredi to no diamond to me do anything na Senegal Sports Complex dia RTU1 is what they make 2 are good fire cost.
How many minutes?
I 3 minutes. It is another comment in also there.
Me talk for sentence ni bia ba me wi a masa ba na ba wi.
Mate shot.
Robinson for Benton for no 90. And I will tell nka Eddie Feed na we go out to you. Omo ko to twa de kan in Suacheman abete aso by 2 goals to 1. 8 minutes of additional time. And a mobile to say, oh, Kasaka 3 minutes. Na game na abawe or na Rigu. Ye final Rigua. And any HM or Sunyane Sugar, our Homana. So, hello, Sugar. Ibia Boko Sunyan. But for Katana Beche United, game na abawe, send a results in the coin.
Shada Kamayama, here for Muti Sumpa 93.1. Emra Sunyane Connection for Ghana Premier League match 27. Oh, and a Bofa Katano Etrafe. Ene bobu kwa ye feni Bechem United everybody game ni ba na we no Bechem United ebe to chede kan bo fakata no etimi ete e wo first half ni ma so game no na bo fakata no enemy so betimi apre anya goal na so second goal no antimamba referee ashana ben e game ni na abana we bo fakata no 1 bobu kwa ye feni Bechem United 1 90 minutes plus additional 5 minutes sa ene so see.
Wow, I know and some branch here friend Sugar Eddie Sunyane Eddie Baba Sumi na Sugar some of the kind of 2 jar FR results no Japan game the sign reactions in city every home team supporters. Wow, Sugar and me and you know man so 90 minutes but for Katana 1 Bechem United 1 and no NSN is he at here.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. I need you can want. The ration more. I day what dog can want. I need you.
Who's over to Ghana Premier League? Your centers are hold on. Your just send reactions. Let's see for call 90 minutes. Your call now you go. Never seen a chomo Sunyane. Yeah, sure say we be able to tomo. Any advantage for Danilo. Now be behind the dance park. Go start. I'm on your General Stars game on so good so Koso.
We've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe. We've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki. We've been there. We've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah Gyan. We've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again.
Wabusan for we be to Tomere mo be behind the dance park. Danilo our Homana. So hello Danny.
Yes, sir. Senior Mutunka.
Be our dance park.
I'll be there fine. You give me.
Bibiano Gold Stars and Diana Stars. Send a game in the coin.
They gave me first half no just on the bound. I know I go start to protect you. They upon giving 1-0. I say we can buy first half from anyone. And you could not give me the second half for you. Now I just say I know a game. I know a game. Again, I start from the back giving minimum we share the brilliance of a coach from performance tactically now to say and then the tactics and the unity and so at the match me first are going to be stance do it to about me and say Adriana Stars and to me and we need to someone to me and go stars a check about comment to me and the goal was from a branch here which I say Alex Asso and then defensive.
Well, some for better branch friend Dalilo say or reporter or the free Bibiani Dance Park at the bar Ebasumie. Go Stars 1, Adriana Stars 0. Ghana Premier League match day 27. Sir, and AC at here, honor. Yeah, ba, na fe, you know, you have seen the table, no, so AC at here.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. What dog can one, and EJ can one, the ration one, what dog can one.
So for 90 minutes, way of various league centers, and I see fire quiet. Master Santiago one, Samata Zero, Piano Go Stars, a Shabak, Piano Stars, and Timmy and Shep for Cotton of 1, United 1 of Lions, Masha Miensa, Nations FC, and Timmy and Shebi. Out to you 1, it's Sachaman 2, and I see it here. You know that Carolina at Shabak is the That's only going cities 2, so folks, 0. And I'm mad day 27. So now, AC5 at here. Facebook, also Pablo, I say more fire from Pablo inside South Africa. James in team, I know, share so well done, boys. Keep it up. But Zachary, keep up the good work. Jemfi Gideon. Good evening, I'm watching live from Dubai. Some also watching inside Konsu Kwajoko. Fabulous young Konkwan. Buana the show Junior. Kwajoko win today. Alex Boatin say good morning. Alex watching. Alex Joseph. Message you know. About Facebook some part 93.1. Elsewhere, have confederations count. James FC Jina Second half and I'm up. Zamalek 0.